this video, I'm going to be showing you how to style two buns on your hair, and this routine will apply whether your hair is natural or relaxed. Now, the reason this part of my hair is braided and this part is loosened is because while I was in the process of making this video, I figured this would be better to just show you guys how I transition from the styles I wear for bed and how I style the next morning. Now, the last hair video I made, I showed you guys protective styles to wear for bed, and I know there was nothing like these two big chunks there. But I just did this on my hair because I did not want to do anything elaborate. I was going to be at home for like 3 days and I did not want to just stress myself. So I did that on my hair. So you're going to notice that the hair is not as soft as it would have been if I just did the protective styles and loosened it the next morning. But before we get right into this video, please guys click the like button and subscribe and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any more videos. Now guys, the first thing you want to do is to spritz your hair. Now this is water, tea tree oil, and lavender oil, two essential oils. The first thing you want to do is spritz your hair, frankly, because as I said, I left my hair for 3 days, so it's going to be tough to comb, and spritzing it will help making it soft. And of course, we start with combing from the end. This is my accessory bag. So I'm going to be using a black ribbon. I'm just going to bring out two. It should work fine. So now this side, I do the same thing. When styling your hair into two buns, it's good to walk through one section at a time, and I'm going to start with this. Now, since you're doing a bun and you want it to be sleek, you want to make sure that this side is thoroughly combed so it doesn't give you any bump, so your bun is as sleek as you want. So you want to make sure it's thoroughly combed. Then you do the same for the back. Now I like to use my 360 style wave control pomade. There, I like to use it so that that's a wave control. So if you have a wave control, you can apply that. Now the next thing you want to do is to take your ribbon. You don't brush it yet. You take your ribbon and you try to gather all your hair in your hand carefully. this container has a clear gel and Eco Styler gel. The clear gel is aloe vera, and I just mixed it because I don't know, I just feel like it's more better. So I'm going to apply that right now. And so now, see what I was saying? By the time you finish applying your edge control and giving yourself this whole baby hair thingy, this place is already forming by itself. And look, already formed. I barely need to do any adjustments there. But before I end it with this video, I'm going to tie a scarf. Just tie a scarf here to lay the edges and let the wave be more vibrant, and I'm going to show you guys how that turns out.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the whole dance-ish thing that happened there. That's why I was going to take my time, but I cannot do that anymore because my head is on fire. Like, I tied this thing so freaking tight, so no. Don't tie your stuff tight because you won't like yourself. But anyways, now is the time for the big review. Oh my god, the relief is palpable. Whew. Boy, shit was tight. Ow! Here we go, baby!
Support